Ever feel like you're juggling a suitcase full of cash when you travel for business? Different currencies, exchange rates, hidden fees, it's enough to make your head spin. Well, what if there was a way to streamline your international payments, ditch the stress, and maybe even save some money? That's where Airwallex comes in. But with nearly 1,000 currency pairs swirling around, you might be wondering, which ones can I actually use? Don't worry, globetrotting entrepreneurs, this video is your one-stop shop for understanding Airwallex currencies. The big picture, a currency universe. Airwallex boasts a massive network, allowing transactions in a whopping 64 different currencies. Think of it as a financial passport that grants you access to markets all over the world. This vast selection means you can send and receive payments, manage expenses, and make international purchases with incredible flexibility. But hold on, 64 currencies might sound overwhelming. Let's break it down and see how Airwallex helps you navigate this financial galaxy. The power of choice, freely traded currencies. Imagine you're a jet-setting fashion designer, selling your latest collection in New York and Paris. Airwallex makes things easy. For major currencies like USD, Euro, AUD, and many others, you can freely buy and sell. This means Airwallex can price and execute transactions on both sides, giving you maximum control and transparency. Beyond the basics, exotic currency pairs. The world of finance is full of surprises, and Airwallex caters to them too. There are also exotic currency pairs, where additional restrictions might apply due to local regulations or lower trading volume. Don't worry, Airwallex still facilitates these transactions, but it's always a good idea to check with their support team for any specifics. Global accounts, your personal currency hub. Airwallex offers global accounts, which act like your own personal financial command center. You can choose from a variety of base currencies depending on your location, like USD in the US or AUD in Australia. This base currency is your home turf, the one you'll use for most transactions. But the beauty of global accounts is the ability to hold multiple currencies. So, if you're an importer in Singapore dealing with Chinese suppliers, you can hold both SGD and CNY in your account, making payments and receiving funds seamlessly. Direct billing, simplifying the game. Airwallex takes things a step further with direct billing. This feature is like having a magic wand for your finances. Imagine you're making a purchase in euros. With direct billing, Airwallex automatically debits your euro wallet in your global account, eliminating any conversion fees. It's a fantastic way to save money and streamline your international transactions. Staying informed, the supported currencies API. The world of finance is constantly evolving, and Airwallex keeps pace. They offer a supported currencies API, a fancy term for a tool that provides you with the latest list of tradable currencies. This ensures you always have access to the most up-to-date information, right at your fingertips. The takeaway, Airwallex, your currency concierge. By now, it's clear Airwallex isn't just another financial platform. It's your gateway to a world of opportunity. With its vast network of currencies, global accounts, direct billing, and a dynamic API, Airwallex empowers you to take control of your international finances. So, ditch the suitcase full of cash and embrace the future of global business. With Airwallex, the world is truly your oyster, and trust me, you'll want to use the right currency to pay for those pearls. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more business finance tips and tricks. And don't forget to leave a comment below with any questions you might have. Until next time.